Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Judgment card game. This engaging trick-taking game challenges your foresight and strategy. Your primary objective is to correctly predict the exact number of tricks, also known as hands, you will win in each round. It's usually played by 4 people using a standard 52-card deck, though 2 to 6 players can join. The number of cards dealt to each player varies per round, often starting with 10, decreasing to 1, and then increasing again. Once the cards are dealt, the bidding phase begins. Starting with the player to the dealer's left, each person declares how many tricks they believe they will win in that round. This prediction is crucial for your score. A key rule to remember is that the combined total of all players' bids cannot exactly match the total number of cards dealt in that specific round. This ensures that at least one player will either overbid or underbid. After bidding, the actual card play begins. The player to the dealer's left typically leads the first trick. When a card is led, other players must follow suit by playing a card of the same suit if they possess one. If you don't have the led suit, you can play any card, including a trump card. The highest card of the led suit wins the trick unless a trump card is played, in which case the highest trump wins. The winner of each trick leads the next. Scoring in Judgment is straightforward but strict. You only earn points if you successfully win the exact number of tricks you bid at the start of the round. A typical scoring system awards 10 points for a correct bid, plus an additional point for each trick you successfully won. If your prediction is incorrect, you receive 0 points for that round. After all predetermined rounds are completed, all players tally their scores, and the player with the highest total points is declared the winner.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.